Hello, trombone players, and thanks for practicing. Before you start working on these notes, I want you to play long notes. Play me low, high, low, high, low. Those things will help maintain your strength. So we're going to start here, and we're going to stop at the stop. Notice that the dotted notes are a little bit longer. So starting at the beginning. Do it again. The next chunk is going to start at that box 5. So box 5, you're going to need a smear. That's going to be the so third position to 6th, back to 3rd. Just play the smear. Your turn. So box 5, we're bouncing E, B, box 5, here we go. You will notice that on my second line, I gave myself time to breathe. If you're watching this video, feel free to do that. Just put a little squiggly quarter rests over that. Our next chunk. F, B, C, F. 13 on the F. Here we go. Do it again. 13. You, rah, rah. 21 is similar to the beginning. We're bouncing E, B, E, B, E. And then we fly. E flat, A flat, A flat, G. Notice that those are all third position. So if you want to take something to write with and put in third position for that fly, please do. So measure 21. Measure 21 on the E, B, ready, go. Fly. Do it again, 21. Here we go. Our last chunk is 29. I call it the CC part. C, C, D, E, F, G, B, B, jump, down. 29 on the C's. Here we go. Skip. Do it again. 29. Here we go. Last step, do the whole thing. So we're going to start here, do the whole thing. At the top on the B, here we go. 5. 4, 3, 2, 13. You, ride 21. Fly. 29. for practicing, your next step would probably be to listen to the slow-mo video. Listen to the slow-mo video. Maybe play along with it. Thanks again for practicing. Have a fantastic day.